How to remove suggested contacts on Facebook Messenger. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily delete all of the suggested contacts on your Messenger app. So sometimes if you are chatting with your friend and you want to forward something, then in that case what happened is, so let's say if I want to forward this text right here, I'm going to tap on forward, and on this list, you will often find people that are suggested by the messenger itself. So if you don't want to see those suggested contacts, what you want to do is first, you have to know why messenger is suggesting them. It might be because you have previously contacted them, or they are from your contacts or Facebook's friend list. Then in that case, if you have previously chatted with them, it doesn't matter if you've already deleted those previous conversation, but if you have previously chatted with them in some time, then they are probably be they will be shown on your suggested contacts. In order to remove them, you just tap on the menu icon and head over to your settings. From here, if you scroll down, you will find privacy and safety, and once you get to here, you will have the option for hidden contacts. Tap on it. And if you want to add someone to your hidden contacts list, tap on the top right corner, select the person that you want to hide. What this will do is you will see less of this person, they won't be notified, and you can unhide them anytime. Once you do that, tap on hide contact and you will be good to go. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.